Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to go through that Upside app. That's where you get cash back every time you buy gas, food, groceries. Stay with us. We'll show you how to use it. All right, let's go download that app in the Play Store. Games, apps, it's under apps. Do a search. It's upside right there. See it? The arrow, the blue arrow. Mine needs to upgrade, but I've already got it, so just showing you where it is. So once you get the app, open that little guy up, upside, right there. It sees where you are and locates gas stations and things around you. You get gas, restaurants, or convenience stores, either one. There's gas. You see penny off a gallon, 5 cents cash back inside their store. That one's a penny off. That one's a penny off. That one's 2 cents off. If you open it up, gas offers, penny on regular, 5 cents off on mid-grade, diesel's a penny off. Inside the store, you get 5 cents off cash back. Excludes tobacco, alcohol, gift cards, phone cards, and lottery. Those don't work, okay? You get claim offer, and it's only good at this address. You pay with a debit or credit card you have on file here in the app. Cannot pay with cash. That doesn't work because they're going to go check, make sure you did pay with that card. When you're done paying, come back and tap that claim will say, I've paid. All right. Profile. Go set up your profile. There's me. Wallet. There's my credit card, debit card, whatever. If you need to add one, click that Add Payment Card method, and it'll take you over and you just enter the information. Now there's a restaurant, look at there, a Burger King near me, 18.7 miles away. I get 14% cash back. Wow. Once again, claim the offer is only good at this address. Pay with that card you have on file. So you got to have a debit or credit card on file. Come back and tap I've paid, and they'll give you, go search, make sure you paid. You got 2 to 4 days or so for it to show up. You see, I've got $11.74 in my account right now. There's convenience stores, 5% cash back, 8%, 11% cash back. It just depends on which store you're at, okay? That one's got 16% cash back inside the store. 11 cents off cash per gallon. Wow. $2.78 and you get 11 cents off. Mid-grade's 12 cents off. Diesel's 12 cents a gallon off. 11% cash back in the store. For every dollar you spend, you get 11 cents back. Once again, how to earn it. Claim it. Go buy it. Come back and click I've paid. That claim will turn to I've paid. There's some fine print down there, but just maximum amount of gallons and stuff like that. So you can read all that when you get in there. There it is. No other discounts available. If you're using other discounts, it's going to take that into credits consideration. So there's your fine print. Just you can read all that. All right, well there it is. More convenience stores. Some of them you'll find have, it depends on where you are. You might have a grocery store. I'm kind of out in the country, so these are, you notice, 20 miles away, 20 miles away. I don't have a grocery store in here right now, but if you're in big city area, there'll be grocery stores and everything. There's my activity. You can see what I've been doing. I've had $31.88 altogether so far. If you refer a friend, you and the friend get 15 cents a gallon off on the next fill up. And you get 1 cent per gallon on your friend every time they use the app. So if they fill up weekly with the app, you get a penny for every gallon they put in. So get your friends up there, give them this code that's down here, and they click on that code and it goes, see that code? S9TRC, that's me. Click share and send it to your friends. They click on that and it'll go get the app for them, and it'll have you as their friend, okay? Look at there. I think I'm going to go get that burger at Burger King. 14 cents, 14% cash back right there. Come over here. 14% back. Claim the offer. Is only good at this address. Click pay with a debit or credit card you have on the account, okay? So I'm going to claim it. We'll have to go over here and head to Burger King at 209 East Shannon Road. All right, here's my card I'm going to use. I've got the Burger King app too, so let's go get that Burger King app. We claimed our offer, so we're ready to go. Let's go to Burger King. Just want the sandwich, okay? Let's customize it. There might be some things I don't want on this burger. Ketchup. I don't like ketchup on my burgers, so I'm going to take that off. Okay, update item. Add it to my bag. View my cart. Drive-through or pickup. I'll go to the drive-through. $9.73. Okay, there's my card. Just hit continue. Drive-through on that Shannon Road. Place secure order. Yes, sir. I use the debit card that's in the Upside app, so they'll know that I paid for it with that. I used it. They'll go check it out. Right there, my order's being made. Okay, let's go back over here to Upside. Where is it? Right there. All right. That's the card I used. Back up. Look at there. I've paid. So click on that I've paid. It did say claim, remember, but now it says I've paid. Now it's telling you get an extra 15 cents per gallon on your next offer. Right there, if you refer a friend, you can invite friends. Plus, remember, you get 1 cent off every time they use it. They'll send you an email when you get paid. See there, right there, it says Upside paid. Looky there. There's the money I made on that burger I bought. Can't beat that. All the information, 15 cents a gallon extra if you refer a friend. So there you are. All right, let's withdraw money now. Show you how to do that. Go up there to the top right, those little bars. See where it says cash out? You can go to your bank account. Link account, a new account. I don't have my account up there right now, but click on both of those. Continue. We'll go through Plaid. Enter your phone number. Now, I'm not going to do this right now because I don't want y'all seeing my account. I don't have a lot of money in there, but I don't want somebody to get in there and get it. So let's back up, look at some of the other things we can go to. There we go. Look at the gift cards. All kinds of gift cards there. Apple, Burger King, Cabela's. Let's click on Cabela's. Cash out between $10 and $13. I only have 13, so. And there's all the information how to do it. And these are digital cards. You can go to PayPal. Now, I got a PayPal account up here. I click on that. That's my email for Right there, just continue. I'm not going to continue because I'm not ready to draw that money out right now, but that's how you would transfer it over to your PayPal. All right, well, that's how you transfer money out of Upside. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.